Welcome to Ketura's Math Class for Kids, Lesson 2. Today, we'll discuss odd numbers, even numbers, and prime numbers. Introduction. Numbers have so many beautiful features that can easily help us in our daily activities. They are classified by these features. Having the knowledge of these numbers will save you so much time and energy. Based on our level, we will concentrate on only odd numbers, even numbers, and prime numbers. Odd numbers. Have you heard someone say odd numbers before? Do you know what these numbers mean? If yes, can you mention the first 10 odd numbers? Okay, I'll wait for you to mention them. If no, that's not a problem. We'll mention them together. Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Therefore, the first 10 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. What are other examples of odd numbers? 35, 23, 105, 17, 29, 11, 59, 45, 79, and 63, and so on and so forth. Fun fact: all odd numbers end up with last digit as 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Even numbers. Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. Therefore, the first 10 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Fun fact: even numbers always end up with the last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. All prime numbers can only be divided by 2 numbers, 1 and itself. Examples of the first 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Do you know? Number 1 is not a prime number because it can only be divided by 1 number itself. Also, number 2 is the only even number that is also a prime number because it can be divided by 1 and itself too. Conclusion: the knowledge of these numbers helps you to know possibilities, especially in sharing, adding, or multiplying something. For instance, can you share 5 oranges for 2 people? This may be impossible because 5 is an odd number and is only divisible by 1 and itself. But if you had 6 oranges, you can divide it for 2 people, with each of them getting 3. Another example is how many more oranges do you need to add to 5 oranges to be able to share it equally among 4 people? The answer is you need to add 3 more oranges to make it 8, which is now an even number and can be shared among the 4 people, with each of them getting 2 oranges. Do you also think I can remove 1 orange from the 5 oranges to be able to share it equally among the 4 people? Yes, you are right, and this will mean that it is now even and everyone is getting equal share of 1. Do you now understand what is meant by odd numbers, even numbers, and prime numbers? You have an assignment. Write out 1. Odd numbers between 1 to 100. 2. Even numbers between 1 to 100. 3. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. I hope to see you in our next class. Bye.